Greetings, students. In e-content of maths, we will do lesson 13, perimeter and area. Last week, we discussed about perimeter and today we are going to do area. Look at this picture. To make it clear when we have to find perimeter and when to find area. Students, when we talk about boundaries of a figure, it means if you want to put lace on a hanky or you want to paste a colored tape around a scenery, it means you have to find perimeter. But if you want to grow grass in this field, then we are talking about area. So, area means space occupied by a figure. Let's recall formula of perimeter. We have already done last week. Perimeter. If we have to find the perimeter of some irregular figure or of triangles, we have to use sum of all sides. Perimeter of a rectangle is length plus breadth multiplied by 2. Perimeter of a square 4 multiplied by side. When we are finding perimeter, to write the answer we will use the same unit. If our length breadth are in meters, then we will write answer in meters. And if the sides are in centimeters, we have to write the answer in centimeter. Now, how will you find area? Area means space occupied by a figure. Now we have to remember formulas. To find the area of a rectangle, we will do length multiplied by breadth. And to find the area of a square, we will write side multiply side. Remember students, when we will write the answer, area is written in square meters or square centimeters. If our length or breadth are in meters, we will write answer square meter. And if our length and breadth or sides are in centimeter, we will write answer in square centimeter. Students, let's do few sums of activity 4. Our second sum is you have to find the area of a rectangle. First sum, when length is 24 centimeter and breadth is 9 centimeter. How we will find the area of a rectangle? Area of a rectangle is length multiply breadth. Length is 24 centimeter and breadth is given 9 centimeter. We will multiply, then area will be 216 square centimeter. Now third sum is you have to find the area of a square. Square means when all sides are equal. Side is given of square is 17 centimeter. It means a square whose all sides are of 17 centimeter. Area of square will be side multiply side. You have to multiply 17 by 17. So the area of that square will be 289 square centimeter. SQ means square. Let's try one more sum. Length of a table is given 280 centimeter and breadth of table is given 125 centimeter. Area of that table will be length multiply breadth. It means 280 multiply 125. The area of that rectangular table will be 35,000 square centimeter. Students, hope you have understood the concept very well. Do these sums in your notebook and practice a lot. Thank you.